Leila, Moonshadow, Nightingale. In the celestial realm of Aetheris, Leila, Moonshadow, Nightingale drifts amongst the constellations, her stardust form shimmering under the ethereal light. Her presence is both serene and commanding, a being of immense power born from the cosmos itself. As she watches over the world below, she feels a surge of connection to the chaotic elements that course through the earth, air, fire, and water. This connection is both a gift and a burden, for the elements are not just mere forces, they are alive, sentient, and increasingly unpredictable. On the ground, Dr. Elias Harper, a brilliant but weary meteorologist, is staring at the ominous clouds gathering above the city. The wind howls, the ground trembles, and lightning crackles in the sky. Something feels off, beyond the usual weather patterns. In that moment, a soft voice calls out to him. It's not a voice from the earth, but from the stars. Leila appears, her form flickering like moonlight on water. She speaks, her words gentle yet commanding. Elias, the elements are in turmoil. They cry out for a harmony that only you can restore. Elias hesitates, fear and wonder mingling in his heart. Leila explains, I am Leila, a guardian of the balance. The elements are alive, and they need a bridge between the worlds, someone who can hear their whispers, someone who can bring them peace. Elias nods, his curiosity overpowering his fear. How can I help? What do they want? Leila smiles, her eyes glinting with determination. They want a vessel, Elias. A connection. You have the gift of understanding their language, their needs. You can be their intermediary. Elias feels a surge of energy, a connection to the earth beneath his feet. The storm around him begins to calm, the air still, the ground steady. Leila guides him, showing him the path to harmony. He steps forward, his hands outstretched, his voice rising in a melody that resonates with the elements. The winds die down, the clouds part, and the world is bathed in a soft, golden light. Leila smiles, her form dissolving into the stars above, leaving Elias to stand tall, changed forever. Later, Elias returns to his lab, his notes filled with strange, glowing symbols. He speaks of a new theory, of elements as living entities, of a force greater than humanity. His colleagues listen, intrigued and afraid. It's like we're on the brink of something big, something ancient, he says. But with Leila's help, maybe we can find harmony before it's too late. The camera pans out, showing the world below, the elements now calmer, the sky a vibrant blend of colors. Leila watches from afar, her presence a gentle reminder of the balance she helped restore. The end of the world is not near, it's just the beginning.